Blessings everyone, welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel. I'm Mrs. Gold and oh my gosh, New Rules has started, yay! And we will be giving you guys highlights. I am on vacation, so here, bear with me, but just tune in to Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel to see highlights. But it's a good look. Watch crowd now. Watch crowd, big up Trelani, you did it. So let's take a look of the early one. And then I also want to show you how the young artists then come out early for practice. Big up Tamo J and Zyanigh for, putting in the work. One thing with New Rules, they deal with things professionally. And, everyone just comes out, everyone rehearses. So anyhow, I'll let you guys listen to the early one of New Rules and the young artists them performing. Bless up. Remember to like, subscribe, and share.
One thing about them, they don't care about people. I don't know if somebody not like you, but I don't give a fuck. Put one thing up in that here. Put that thing up in that here. No, there. Some people do so. Let them steal them boy. See that anybody not know what's for from the ghetto community? All for from the ghetto, put one in that here. It's a survivors. This is my story. Well, I'm not telling you. I don't know if you're going to get away like this. Where? Run that for that. Run that for that.
Touch the sky up with these broken waves. If we're fighting sex, some of our rights. Drop the ashes and fix it tonight. Not that I can see my child. You rule for my man, I never give. Psycho. Right for that, you know that power. Look at the bar for your mother. Tick like. Anyway, pick up the man and tell them and tell them what. I put out that and tell them what. I want them and tell them what. And them head are run. Tell them what you want, 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 tell them what you need, 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 tell them what you want, tell them what you want, tell them what you want, tell them what you want. She say one tick like so when she hot, but she tick like how if she two time, tip one tongue, I'ma tell her one tongue, girl them listen no as if you have pounds, but you have to love man, have to find US and English pound. Say she love fat, she no love crowd, 8 7 6 be like the compound. Next week get mad, me shut a man no, so mama way up.